Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier videos of Dogelon Mars, I have been showing you that it broke out a broadening rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and after that we had a nice rally. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then this was the broadening rising wedge pattern that I was showing in my previous videos. You can see that whenever it was getting bounced from the support, it was forming higher highs and higher lows, and finally we broke out this broadening rising wedge pattern. Then we had a nice rally here, retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support, and then again geared up. And this time for a while, the price and again re-entered the wedge and now again moved up. And right now it is trying to break out a very long-term resistance on that starts from 2205, point 000006 times 0.2205 to and goes to 2500. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance line has been working as support line here, support line here, support line here. After the breakdown, was again flipped into a resistance here, and here it has been working as support. And now for the past several months, again, it is flipped into a resistance. We got rejection here, and here for a while the price had moved up, right? But again, it's moved down and trying to break out this resistance on. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you a breakout from this down channel as well. And we will also take a look at the previous breakout from a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SSV network. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that after the breakout from this down channel, the price line was moving inside in another broadening rising wedge pattern, and it was nicely forming higher highs and higher lows. And finally, we broke out the wedge, then we had a nice rally, but the price line so far could not completely break out this very long-term resistance on that starts from point 0000 and 006 times 0.2205 and goes to point 00000025. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working as support on here, resistance on here, resistance, resistance, and now for the past several months, since after the month of April 2024, it is working as a very strong resistance on. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance on, and after that, I'm expecting that the price can also hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That target is by the way here at the top of the channel at 4200, and over there we have another very strong resistance that was previously working as a resistance here, and for several weeks a month, it has been working as a resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this wedge, and the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at point 000005 times 0.2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.